Welcome to our channel. If you need to unlock your Chase card after temporarily locking it for security purposes, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore full access. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials, such as your username and password, or use biometric authentication. Step 2. Navigate to the account dashboard or main menu where your cards are listed. Select the card that is currently locked and that you want to unlock. Step 3. Access the card management or security settings section. This area may be labeled Manage Card, Card Controls, Security Settings, or similar terms. Step 4. Locate the option to unlock or unfreeze your card. This is typically displayed as a toggle switch or button showing Unlock Card or Unfreeze Card. Step 5. Tap the Unlock or Unfreeze option to reactivate your card immediately. Once unlocked, your card will be ready to use for purchases, withdrawals, and other transactions. Step 6. Verify that the unlock action was successful by checking for a confirmation message on the screen or a notification sent to your email or phone. Step 7. Test your card by making a small purchase or checking your account balance to ensure it is functioning properly and no longer restricted. Step 8. Keep your app updated and regularly review your card settings to maintain security and ensure you can quickly lock or unlock your card as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.